Hello and welcome back to the Soundstore YouTube channel. Your home environment is different from your friends down the road and the friend next to them. Each room has different surfaces and materials, which means that sound sounds different because of acoustics. So that your Sonos product is optimized for the surrounding environment, Sonos has a system called Trueplay. It uses the inbuilt microphones within the Sonos products to adapt to the surrounding environment that it's in, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's also worth mentioning that products like the Sonos Move and the Sonos Roam have automatic Trueplay, which means that as you move them around, they will automatically adjust the settings of the sound to match that environment. But for products like the Wiim and the Ray, you need to do the process I'm about to show you. It's also worth mentioning that you're going to need an iOS compatible device to do this. Anyway, let's get started. First, you're going to open up your Sonos app. You're going to click on the cog icon. You're going to swipe down and select Ray, which is this product here, which is the product we're going to do the Trueplay on today. We're going to scroll down, click Trueplay tuning, and click Get Started. Click Continue, then click Continue, and follow the on-screen instructions. It's asked me to sit where I usually would, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Click Continue. Face and hold your TV eye level. And the Trueplay has adjusted the Sonos products to the acoustic characteristics of the environment that I'm now in. All you need to do next is click Done and turn your phone back around. Now, if you don't like the way that it sounds, you can further adjust it, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You're going to go down to EQ, and you can adjust the bass, the treble, adjust the loudness on and off, and you can also adjust things like the surround audio if you have a pair of surround speakers connected to your soundbar, as we do in this example. You can also adjust the distance that the speakers are away from you as the listener under surround distance. And that's how you set up Trueplay. I hope you enjoyed the content.